Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. So first up we see someone go from super long hair to this beautiful mid-length haircut. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning waves were added for some texture. Beautiful transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a stunning textured bob haircut. This is a great option if you do have naturally curly or wavy hair. Beautiful bangs in the front. And then we see that copper colored hair trend once again. This is one of the hottest hair shades that we're going to be seeing in 2023. So the stylist did give her a mid-length haircut with that transformation. And then we see a bob haircut. This one features some blunt ends and feathered bangs. And the stylist did some gorgeous texture with the waves with that one as well. Waves and curls, beautiful. Next up, we have this stunning blowout style. She also has curtain bangs as well, and the stylist is adding in some hair extensions for volume and length. I love her makeup as well. It's so soft and natural. Very pretty neutral colors. Next up, we have another hair transformation that does feature some bangs. Looks like the stylist is doing a shaggy hairstyle for this one. And then she's twisting the hair when it is wet in order to create some texture. This is a great technique if your hair is straight and you are looking to add some texture to your strands. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful bright blonde transformation. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.